Hey guys, it's Sam with WTI. I want to tell you about this super cute kids book, Little Owl's Night. It is so adorable. I absolutely love the illustrations in this book. I think the little critters are just so cute with their big eyes. I love the colors that were chosen by the illustrator. It's just a very, very cute book. This is all about this little owl who is learning about his surroundings in the forest. And he's starting to explore and learn about how the animals are either awake or asleep at night. So here he's visiting his raccoon friend. It says, Little Owl visited his friend the raccoon. As they sat in the clover, fog rolled in and hovered just overhead. And then it just helps him explore all the different critters and animals through the night. And then at the end, he asks his mama, how does the daylight come now? And so it teaches him to appreciate both times of day and what he has. So I think it's a great lesson for little ones, helping them to learn that there's beauty in all things. So I really, really like this book. As I mentioned, it's so cute. And I think that you'll like it too. And that's my point of view.